Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you some of the points with the help of which you will be able to rank higher on Medium in 2025. So with the help of these methods, more people see your stories, click on them and follow you. So make sure that you stick around till the end of this video for a final tip that actually helps boost your reach even without followers. So without further delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for medium.com. If you haven't created your Medium account over here, make sure that you create one by providing your email address and your password. So first of all, you need to choose a niche and you need to stick to it because Medium's algorithm prefers writers who focus on the specific topics. So you can choose a niche in personal growth, finance, or tech, and you can publish consistently around that topic. Now, your title should be clear and it should be curiosity driven and include the keywords people are searching for. So once you click on the right option here in the top right hand corner of the screen, before pressing this publish option, title is the main thing that you need to write over here. For example, if you are writing a article on how people can save $1,000 in 30 days, you can just start your title just like so, and it is better than making money journey or any other things. Now when you are publishing, Medium actually lets you to add 5 tags. So here if I click on the publish option, you can see over here we have the add topics option and the tags option as well. So in the tags option, always use the keywords that match your topic, like self-improvement, productivity, or freelancing, or my topic is relating to money. So you can add money, savings, investment, etc. So this actually helps Medium to recommend your post to the right audience. Now, formatting is also important for readability. So you need to make sure that you break your content into the short paragraphs, use the bold, italic, and bullet points, and make it in a friendly tone. You can also seek help from ChatGPT in this regard, and it will be very best for the clean and readable stories. So by keeping all of these things in mind, you will be able to rank better on Medium in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss our future video. Thanks for watching.